guys, that's Pops here, and I have my second Walking Dead supply crate, supply drop, whatever you want to call it. So it's exciting times for me. I don't know whether you guys are going to be that excited about it. Depends whether you're into The Walking Dead, I suppose. But yeah, my second one. The first one I got the flocked dog, but unfortunately the box did get a bit battered here on the corner. So everything inside should still be alright, hopefully. Cheat sheet, so we won't look at that. Oh, here we go, guys. We have a t-shirt, Oceanside. I like that. So that's pretty cool. Definitely get your money's worth out of one of these things. What else have we got in here? Got a key ring. So yeah, we got that. I guess that was in this bag. Put out. What else have we got in here? We've got a supply drop bandana. So should we have a look at it? So that's it, guys. That's the bandana. They're not really something I'm really interested in, but it is something. And there is one more thing in the box. And then I've got the two things that I pulled out. We always save the pop until last. That's the main reason I buy the box. Just trying to get the bandana back in the box it come in. Sorry for the delay. Yeah, there you go, guys. Back in, good as new. So then we have postcard. So it's Oceanside. So we got that, bandana, key ring, whatever this is. We have a black box. So it's Magnus Warhammer letter opener. It's pretty cool, it's pretty heavy. There it is. I guess you got that to put your letter in. And then so it's pretty sharp. That's a nice little item. That can go back in the box. And then we get out the last thing. I think everybody knows what this is this time. It's been all over social media. It's Daryl Dixon, but muddy. You're very happy to add this to the growing collection. leave me to put the box open. I'm hoping very soon I'll get. I've ordered like a grail for me. It's a grail for me. Some people might not think of it as a grail, but I think of it as a little grail. And yeah, I've ordered it, so hopefully it'll be here soon and I can do an unboxing on that. Here is Muddy Daryl Dixon. There you go, he's got mud all over his face and on his arms and clothes. Don't know how well you can see that. That's cool. I do wish they would make a different character or completely change it like they did with Alpha and they made her unmasked. Because the last two have been dog flocked, which is a change, and now Daryl Muddy. So yeah, very happy with that. That's going to go straight in the protector and go into the other room. So yeah, you got your money's worth out of this one. Brilliant box. Thank you. I love The Walking Dead, so getting hold of one of the boxes. Oh, we didn't look at the cheat sheet. Oh, you have to open up the cheat sheet to have a look anyway. So there you go. You got the Oceanside t-shirt, bandana, postcard, the cabin motor core vintage keychain, and the hammer. It says, since joining the group of survivors, Magna has proven herself to be a fierce warrior and a valuable member of the community. Her gut instinct is to take care of herself and her immediate loved ones first and foremost, even at the expense of others within the community. We highlight her weapon of choice when fighting off walkers or whisperers alike with the exclusive Warhammer letter opener. So it doesn't hold the letter, it holds the weapon. So that's pretty cool. So that's what you get in this month's or this quarter's Walking Dead supply drop. Yeah, I really do like these, so I'm going to keep getting them. Especially as the pops normally go up to the same price as what you pay for the whole box anyway, and you get like last time it was Michonne jumper and this time it's a t-shirt. So yeah, can't complain at all. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Turn on your notification bell so you get notified next time I upload a video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know whether you go for the supply drop box or whether you managed to get hold of the pop on its own. Yeah, just leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of Walking Dead. But other than that, guys, I hope you're all doing well and have a great day. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!